Diyan! Saan ba dyan?
Dapat video. Dapat video.
Tumani kita eh. Oh. Eh. Eh kayo eh. Laso.
Ma! Nakita mo pa yun yung pang lumalipat doon?
Saan?
Ma, nakikita yung pang ganito. Old bull sa wings.
Ay, baka ano yun. Baka angel yun.
Hindi maliit yun.
Eh, baka bird.
But it has no legs.
Eh, de, ibon lang yun. Baka naka-fold yung legs.
It's not airplane.
It's not airplane eh.
Bee. A bee has small legs. And you cannot see the legs when he's flying.
Ano pa nakikita mo? Tinan mo.
I see broccoli trees, and
Broccoli trees.
a fire, and a smoke, and lights. Maybe lights. I see the Stonehenge from over there.
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge.
Alawig naman.
I see the Twin Towers.